channel. My name is Ramphal, and today we are going to learn all about skincare because before there's good makeup, there's good skin. So, I'm going to show you some of the products I use, and we're gonna show you how to clean your face. So, first, when you're doing your face, you want to grab your cleanser. So first, when you do your face, you want to make sure your face is clean of any dead skin or any just nasty dirtiness that you could have had from the day before. And what I use to clean my face is this cleanser right here, and it's my favorite, and it's by Lime Life by Alcone. And I just put some right here, put some right here, and then I get it nice and wet. After we're done getting our soap in real good, we're gonna wash our face out of the soap, of all the soapiness. Next, we're gonna dry. Alrighty. We're done drying our face. Next, we want to moisturize. And now everybody has different types of skin. And I have combination skin, so it can get oily, it can get dry, both. It doesn't matter what type of day it is. And I also use Lime Life again, their face moisturizer. It's for combination skin, but it's normal to dry skin. But they definitely have one for oily skin. If you have oily skin, and I just put some on my hands, a little bit goes a long way, as you see. But I like a lot because, like I said, my face gets dry. But I like a lot because, like I said, my face gets dry, my face gets oily, all at the same time in different places of my face. If you do have oily skin, there's also Cetaphil that you could use. These are all things you can get this from Walmart. It's really good for oily skin. It's not as harsh, and it's a little lighter. And they also have a moisturizer as well. That way you can get both of them and you'll have your oily skin care routine. And then if you have dry skin, this is your best friend, especially if you're gonna put on some makeup. This is your best friend right here because this will get you right if you have dry skin. I moisturize before I do any makeup. I like to put face oil just because it makes the makeup look dewy and like skin. So I use this face oil here by Lime Life. It helped me right here with my smile lines, like when I got makeup, when I put makeup there, it would just always have this crease. And ever since I've been using this face oil, I haven't had the crease anymore. So I just put this where I really want moisture to be, which is my nose, my cheekbones, my smile line, since that's where I get really dry, my forehead. These are places I want it to be nice and moisturized. Next, I like to add my face primer. This really makes the makeup look smooth. So we're gonna do this. I like to put it right here because this is where the most texture I get on my face, and I want it to be smoother right here. So here under my eyes, my chin, I want it to be smooth. I want it to be smooth here. So these are really the main places I put it because these are the places I want it to be smooth in on my eyes. Just rub that in like that. Yes, these are the places I want it to be smooth. There we go. Now that we're done, we're gonna take our spray by Mario Modescu, and we're just gonna spray it all over our face to really hydrate the skin. I feel like it really hydrates the skin when I use it. And those are the 5 products that I use to prep my skin before I do makeup. And now you're ready to start applying. That's it, guys, for this skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really important to just have really hydrated, nice skin whenever you put on makeup, just so everything can look smooth and flat when you lay down every makeup product down and not look lumpy. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys can take some of these tips that I showed you guys for oily, dry, and combination skin, and you guys can use them at home. Bye.